Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a DE350Z and I'm going to teach you how to remove your tweeters. It's really common for these top portions right here to break off. So I'm going to teach you how to remove it the right way. For this starting, we're going to put a flathead right under this little plastic piece. And be gentle, okay? Be gentle. You're going to wiggle it in there. And then just slowly work it up and it'll release like that. You don't want to just pull it because it's metal and it'll just bend. It's super thin. So there you go. That's the first part. Then we're gonna get a 10mm socket on an extension and we're gonna go in there. And let me show you. You basically just pull forward on this. And this screw at the bottom, actually whoever did this put in the wrong one. Normally there is a different threaded bolts on here, but there's supposed to be two different ones in here, not two fine thread ones. So that's how you get the handle off. And then for the window switch, once you have the handle out of the way, it's really easy. You just lift up in the center, get that up a little bit, and we'll push it forward in the back and lift up, and then rock it forward. Get your flathead, and like so. And now that we got the handle and the window switch off, there's 3 more 10s. There's one over here. So this is the one that they should have put on that handle. And the reason I know that is because it's not coming out. You see how it's just falling in? We'll have to probably pull on the door panel. So whoever had this off first must have stripped something. Which is kind of good to show because these cars are old and a lot of people have gotten to them. There's going to be another screw or another bolt under here. Lift the handle and there's a little plastic trim piece that you have to pop out like that. And there's another 10mm way back in there. Alright, so that is out. And then what I like to do is I'll start at the bottom. I'll start at the bottom of the door panel, and you'll feel like a little opening in here. I'll put that in there, the pry tool, and then just start prying back. So you're gonna pry it back all the way until you see only the top holding on, and then lift up in the rear, and just wiggle the door panel free. Don't pull too far away because your door lock actuator is hooked up to here. And on these ones, you'll see it normally sits like this. And in order to take that off, you just kind of wiggle and slide it up that slot. Like that. Your window switch is already disconnected. And there you go. All right, so we are going to go over to these tweeters. And there's going to be 2 little push pins in there, which somebody already broke. You can tell that this has all been touched before because it has a aftermarket tweeter wired in there. And they didn't even put it tight in there. Anyways, get my Phillips head. I'll move that. And there you go. That is how you remove the tweeter cover on a 350Z.